Hello everyone, in this video we will understand what is back EMF. What is back EMF or electromotive force. Electromotive force. Electromotive force. So what is back EMF? Back EMF is a voltage induced. Back EMF is the voltage induced in the armature of a motor due to its rotation in the magnetic field. So here it is called back. So back means because it is oppose the applied voltage. It's oppose the applied voltage. And symbol of back EMF is that EB. Back EMF is denoted by EB. Now we will see how it is produced. Okay, this is the basic schematic diagram of a DC motor, and here this is a 4-pole machine. So these are pole, and these red dots are armature conductor. This is armature. When this armature rotates inside the magnetic field. So there is magnetic field. So there magnetic field. So when this armature is rotate in the magnetic field, conductors cuts the flux lines. So by Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, EMF will be induced, and EMF will be induced in the armature conductors. So these induced EMF acts opposed to the supply voltage. So this induced EMF, it's oppose the supply voltage. So the name back EMF. So the name is back EMF. Now we'll see the equation of back EMF. So back EMF is denoted by EB. So EB is equal to P phi Z N by 60A, where P is the number of poles, phi flux per pole, in Weber, and Z total number of armature conductor, and N is the speed in RPM, and A is the number of parallel paths. Now we'll see what is the main role of back EMF. So first one is self regulation of motor speed. So what is self regulation of motor speed? If the motor speeds up, suppose the speed of the motor increased. So what will happen, that EB will increase. So that because of that back EMF increase, it reduce the armature current. So then it reduce the armature current. So motor slows back down. Now if motor slows back down, so because of that EB will decrease. Now because of this, that EB will decrease. So armature current will increase. Armature current will increase. So now motor again speeds back up. So now motor speed will increase. So when that speed is increased, that EB also increase, then it reduces the armature current and motor slows down. Again, when the motor slows down, then EB is also decreased, then armature current will increase, then the motor again speeds up. So this is one cycle, means it's called self-regulation of motor speed. That second is protects the motor. How? So without back EMF, the motor would draw dangerously high current. High current if back EMF is not there, because that armature resistance is very low, because armature resistance is very low. So third point is determines motor's power conversion, like mechanical power developed. Mechanical power developed, that PM is equal to EB into IA. PM is equal to EB into IA. So it determines the motor's power conversion. So these are the role of back EMF.